Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have learned about the story of the chapter ice skating. Now, in this video, we will learn how to attempt the questions and the exercises that are given in this chapter. So, let's begin with our first part, that is read part, where the first part says answer the following questions. There are some questions given, and you have to read the questions and you have to understand them and you have to answer the questions after that. First question says, why did Joe, Emmy, and Laurie go to the river? What was the reason that they went to the river? You have to describe the reason. Second says, why was Laurie skating along the shore? What was the reason of Laurie skating along the corner? Third question says, what happened as Emmy skated towards the center? What happened when Emmy was skating towards the center? And how did Laurie and Joe pulled Emmy out? Fourth question is, how did they keep Emmy warm before taking her back home? What things did they do to keep Emmy warm? You have to tell. Fifth question says, how was Joe affected by the incident? Joe became scared. You have to tell all the things that Joe was saying after the incident. B part says think and answer. First question is give examples from the story to show that Laurie was watchful. Do you think Joe and Amy should have been more careful? How? You have to give the examples that are in the story, that how Laurie was doing everything very carefully, and what do you think about Joe and Amy? Should they be more careful? And if yes, then how? Second is, in an emergency, doing things fast but staying calm is important. In the story, who is calm and who was swift? How did it help? You have to tell in that in the story which character who was calm and the another one who was swift, who was not calm, and how did these things help? Now, in the next part, the learn words part, we will learn about the sound words. Let's read some sentences. The thin ice broke with a crash and there was a splash of water. What is crash? Crash means a sound that is made when something hard breaks. When something breaks and the sound that is made, that is known as crash. And splash means a sound that comes when something falls in the water, into the water, that is a splash. So we can see crash and splash, these both are having same sounds, and the things they describe, they are different. Does that mean? Crash and splash, we have read the words crash and splash, they have the same sound according to the things they describe. Like when we put something into the water, there is a sound of splash, it represents the sound exactly. So the words, these are known as the sound words, these kind of words that shows or that describes the things that are known as sound words, or another name for that are, firstly we call them sound words, or the another name for it is onomatopoeic words. Okay, so what is onomatopoeia? Onomatopoeia is a word that copies the sound made by the object it refers to. That is the object, like water. When we put something in water, there is a sound, and the sound is of splash, and what we call it? We call it splash. So what is it? This is a sound word, or this is onomatopoeia. Okay, some onomatopoeic words are clash, clatter, honk, gulp, smack, whiz. Here there's a picture, there are some pictures given and there are some words given, sounds given, and you have to choose a correct sound from this box and you have to write it here in the blanks according to the sound. Okay, now in the learn the language part, we will learn about using ing form of the action words. Using the ing form here means the present continuous form. So firstly we'll read the sentence. I am going on to the first bend. In the sentence, I am going, what is the action? Am going, am going is the action that is happening on the time of speaking. When I am speaking, then when I am telling you this, then what is the action? Am going. Am going is the action that is happening at the time of speaking. When somebody is speaking, then at that time the action that is going on, this is am going. Okay, so there are some more sentences like Naren is eating salad, said Naren's father, pointing at his son. I am falling, cried Emmy. We are reading comics. So, what is the main verb or action verb over here? Eat, fall, and read. So, the main verb or the action verb, when we use it with ing, it becomes present continuous tense that represents the action that is happening at the time of speaking. So the main verb or the action verb that is used with the helping verbs is am and are, and along with ing. That means whenever we use ing, we have to use the helping verbs is, am, and are. So it is known as the present continuous form of tense. Clear? Here are some sentences given. We have to rewrite these sentences. We have to rewrite the highlighted words with ing and by using the helping verbs is, am, and are. For example, the train waits at the station. The highlighted word is waits. You have to change waits into wait plus ing, and you have to use is, am, are accordingly. Like the train is waiting at the station. Clear? Attempt all these sentences accordingly. Nextly, in the dictionary part, there are some words given. What you have to do is you have to find out the meanings of these words from the dictionary, and you have to write the meanings in your notebooks. So in the listening part, in your app, there is a listening section. You have to listen to the instructions from that, and you have to fill in the blanks accordingly by listening to that audio. So in the talk part, there is a box given, and the box has name of some activities and sports. Read that, okay? And what you have to do is you have to speak about these activities. You have to talk about these activities and features of these activities. Nextly, there you can see there are some pictures given. Like here, Anjali is doing something in these pictures. The pictures are of Anjali and she is doing something in these pictures. What you have to do is, according to the picture, according to all the pictures, you have to write one sentence about each picture using ing form. Okay, what you have to do is you have to check what Anjali is doing and you have to make a sentence of it, and the sentence should be of ing form in the present continuous form. Okay, I hope you are clear with this chapter. Attempt this chapter carefully. Thank you.